EcoCut. What is EcoCut? EcoCut is a tooling system for drilling and turning, which will dramatically increase your productivity. How many conventional tools would be required to produce this part? Let's take a detailed look. First, a carbide indexable drill plunges into solid material. Second, a center cutting end mill is used to remove the irregular shaped bottom left by the indexable drill. The third tool required is a standard indexable boring bar to machine the steps in the inside diameter. The fourth conventional tool uses a positive carbide insert with an 80-degree corner held in a square shank external holder. Machining this part with conventional methods requires 4 tools and 5 operations. Cycle time is 2.5 minutes. Now, let's see the EcoCut advantage. With EcoCut, we use only 1 tool in 4 operations, dramatically simplifying the process. We reduce cycle times by eliminating turret indexing. We keep 1 EcoCut tool in the cut on all operations. Now, let's take a closer look at the EcoCut operations, each with its own video. In the first operation, we plunge into solid material and produce a true flat bottom hole with no center burr. In Operation 2, we bore the steps on the inside diameter. Operation 3 is turning of the outside diameter. Please note that the spindle must be reversed if the same EcoCut tool is used for this operation. Facing cuts are performed in Operation 4. Let's recap. The conventional method required 4 tools and a 2.5 minute cycle time. With EcoCut, we utilized only 1 tool and realized a 1.5 minute cycle time. That's a savings of 1 minute per part. EcoCut main advantages include: reducing the number of tools frees up valuable turret space. Since less tools are utilized, less programming effort and CNC code are required. Conventional and indexable drills leave odd-shaped bottoms. EcoCut drills to a true flat bottom with 1 pass. EcoCut saves on inventory and tool purchasing costs because less tools and inserts are needed. Shorter setup and reduced preset times are an additional savings of time and money. The largest benefit with EcoCut is the reduction of cycle times. Let's break down the costs associated with a typical machine part and analyze where the best savings lie. The 3 main components of any job are manufacturing, material, and tooling costs. Manufacturing cost is the largest and includes machine tool and labor costs. Manufacturing costs represent up to 80% of all costs. Next, material costs weigh in at 14 to 18%. The smallest component is tooling costs, representing only 2 to 4%. Most shops work diligently to reduce tooling costs by increasing tool life. A 30% gain in tool life is huge by today's standards. Even this large of a gain still only nets an overall cost reduction of 1% of the total. Larger cost reductions must be found elsewhere. If we work to increase our productivity by 30% with cycle time reductions and appeal to the manufacturing cost side of the equation, we now are able to achieve a 19% reduction of overall costs. EcoCut helps you achieve these larger cost savings. The vast EcoCut family encompasses several styles of tools. First, we have the EcoCut Classic. These tools are characterized by tool steel bodies and carbide inserts. Diameter ranges from 8 to 32 mm in 1.5 and 2.25 times diameter lengths. Right and left-hand bodies are available with metric or inch shanks. 2.25 times diameter steel tools are constructed with a flange which provides an abutment face for additional rigidity. The chip booster provides flow in 3 directions. 2 ports are directed towards the cut, and the third port is directed back up the flute, ensuring excellent chip evacuation. EcoCut 3 times diameter tools are manufactured from our proprietary heavy metal material known as Densimate. Densimate has high vibration absorption characteristics, as well as a high resistance to side deflection. This chart at the bottom shows a 3 times diameter Densimate tool deflecting the same amount as a shorter 2 times diameter steel tool would, shown on the upper chart given the same deflection force. The final member of the EcoCut Classic family is a quick change system known as UTS. It is interchangeable with the popular KM system. Carbide grades and geometries are available for any piece part material and cutting condition. Coated and uncoated grades cover the application range from steel, cast iron, non-ferrous, and high-temperature alloys. Insert geometries have rake face and edge prep specific to the material being cut and ensure optimum chip control and insert wear. The smallest member of the EcoCut family is the EcoCut Mini. These tools are manufactured of solid carbide in diameter ranges from 4 to 8 millimeters, in right and left hand, up to 4 times diameter lengths. Steel holders are available in inch and metric shanks with through coolant capabilities. Now let's watch the EcoCut Mini tackle a tough job. EcoCut Rebore is a core bore type of tool for larger diameter parts, which have precast, forged, or pre-drilled center holes. You are able to perform all of the basic EcoCut operations with Rebore. Here is an EcoCut Rebore tool in action.